Welcome to Psychologyworks on adult ADHD. I'm Dr. Greenaway and I'll be your host. There are going to be a number of different episodes coming up. Each episode is going to focus on a different aspect of adult ADHD and the strategies and techniques that have been shown by research to be effective in helping adults with ADHD overcome many of the problems that come up. I urge you to watch the episodes in order because they do build upon each other. In episode 1, we are going to focus on a 3-part time management system. And I urge you to have a notebook with you so that you can write down notes so that after the episode's over, you'll be able to take those notes and apply the strategies that are discussed. Episode 2 focuses on procrastination and how you can beat procrastination by applying some strategies that have been shown to be effective. Episode 3 is going to focus on how to organize and store your paper documents. Within each of those videos, there will be sub-skills that you can learn. But if you can actually leave the episode and apply it to your daily life and actually incorporate these skills into your daily life, getting better and better at them, I think you're going to find that the problems caused by ADHD are going to plummet. I also want to point out that many of the ideas that I'm going to be sharing with you come from this book here. This is Mastering Your Adult ADHD. Now this is the therapist guide, but it also comes in a client workbook. And it basically breaks down these skills and tools into 8 specific sessions. And each chapter is about 3 to 5 pages. It's simple reading, it cuts to the chase, and it will overlap with things that I'll be talking about in these videos. The chief author on this is Stephen A. Safran, if you're looking it up. And all of the ideas in here are also what we call evidence-based. And the things that I'll be sharing with you, the strategies, the techniques, are also given the term evidence-based. Now, for something to be considered evidence-based, it does have to go through a series of well-controlled trials, research studies, with randomized control groups and meeting the standards of what's considered good research. So I'm not making this stuff up. These are techniques and strategies that have been tested and shown to be effective, or else I would not be sharing them with you. So if you want to get the highest likelihood of success, these are the strategies and techniques that we know in the scientific literature that is effective for adult ADHD. Without any further ado, I hope that you will click subscribe, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and go ahead and start watching episode 1. Good luck. And remember, Psychology works on adult ADHD.